Recently, Trump's decision to impose a 120% tariff on Chinese goods has rocked global markets, leading to price hikes and rising economic uncertainty. As a result, investors are turning to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum as alternative assets to protect their wealth. In the middle of this crypto momentum, MoonX has officially launched on BYDFi exchange. MoonX is a community-driven project aiming to combine DeFi innovation with strong tokenomics, offering new opportunities for investors seeking fresh growth in a shifting market. With strong community backing and a focus on the future of decentralized finance, MoonX is quickly becoming a project to watch. In April 2025, BYDFi, as one of the official sponsors of the Paris Blockchain Week, officially launched a new Web3 product, MoonX, which quickly became the focus of the event. Recently, BYDFi is bringing MoonX to the Token 2049 event, marking a major milestone in crypto trading as we enter the era of CEX and DEX dual engines in parallel. What does this mean? Simply put, BYDFi is like a super trading platform, with CEX in the left hand and DEX in the right hand. Let's break down this strategy. BYDFi operates with a dual-engine system. On the left, you have the familiar centralized exchange, CEX, which is BitFi's main platform. This is a centralized exchange with 5 years of experience, supporting over 600-plus spot pairs and 300-plus trading pairs. It provides a powerful matching system to ensure liquidity and depth, allowing you to trade mainstream cryptocurrencies with a smooth experience. On the right side, we have MoonX, a new on-chain trading platform, DEX, designed for Web3 investors, including those interested in MemeCoins. MoonX covers over 500,000 MemeCoin trading pairs, giving users access to the latest market trends and the ability to participate directly in on-chain transactions. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, MoonX offers opportunities to discover hot spots and seize opportunities quickly. At the Paris Blockchain Week, Michael, CEO of BYDFi, pointed out that the future of crypto trading will not only be about CEXs with fast matching and low fees, but also platforms that can link the on-chain ecosystem with user needs. The launch of MoonX is the core implementation of BitFi's strategy to create this dual-engine platform. So, what's the big difference between BYDFi and traditional exchanges? Traditional CEXs only focus on the centralized exchange side, but BYDFi combines both CEX and DEX. This makes it stand out with the following advantages. MoonX allows you to discover on-chain investment opportunities instantly. By integrating real-time data from platforms like Pump.fun, users can track newly released projects and jump on hot tokens as soon as liquidity pools are launched. This gives you an edge in spotting emerging assets and seizing the trading time difference. BitFi's upgrade to a CEX plus DEX platform shows its forward-looking vision. It meets the needs for both high-frequency centralized trading and more decentralized Web3 opportunities. This is something traditional exchanges, which only focus on CEX, can't offer. With BYDFi, you don't need to jump between multiple platforms. Using one BYDFi account, you can easily switch between centralized and decentralized trading with a single click. This seamless experience contrasts with traditional exchanges, where you would need to switch between wallets, exchanges, and block explorers. MoonX's design makes decentralized trading as easy as centralized trading. It lowers the entry barrier for users to participate in Web3 investment. You can directly access MoonX through your BYDFi account without the hassle of creating a separate DEX account. This creates a more integrated and user-friendly experience. Both BYDFi and MoonX have built-in intelligent risk control systems to help evaluate the security of tokens and filter out risky assets. Additionally, MoonX offers gas optimization and slippage control to ensure smooth transactions at controllable costs. One of the standout features of BYDFi is its ability to visualize your transaction records. This feature provides an in-depth view of your position costs, floating profits and losses, and yields, allowing you to track your investment performance more effectively. Whether you're trading on the CEX side or using the DEX through MoonX, you get clear insights into your trading activity, helping you make better investment decisions. In summary, BYDFi, with its CEX on the left hand and DEX on the right hand strategy, gives you the liquidity and convenience of centralized exchanges while also offering the opportunity to participate in on-chain asset transactions through MoonX. This dual-engine approach sets BYDFi apart from exchanges that only focus on CEX. Now, let's talk about some core advantages that make BYDFi's platform stand out in the competitive world of MemeCoins and other on-chain assets. Discovery in seconds. With real-time data integration from platforms like Pump.fun, you can discover newly released hot projects the moment they launch. Get in on the action before others even know about it. Intelligent risk control. BYDFi evaluates token security from multiple angles, helping you filter out risky assets, such as Pishio Disk and honeypot scams. SmartMoneyCopyTrading. Track whales and high win rate addresses on the blockchain. With SmartMoneyCopyTrading, you can follow their strategies with just a click, benefiting from the success of experienced traders. Transaction optimization. With built-in gas optimization and slippage control mechanisms, BYDFi ensures smooth transactions and controllable costs, reducing the impact of high fees and price slippage. What's even more exciting is that in order to help you experience the powerful functions of MoonX, BYDFi has launched a zero-fee event running from April to June. This means you can explore the convenience and profit opportunities of MoonX without any fees during this period. What are you waiting for? Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link below to register your BYDFi account and start your journey with CEX in the left hand and DEX in the right hand. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Seize the wave of MemeCoins, and who knows, the next big wealth opportunity could be waiting for you in MoonX. Thank you for watching. If you found today's video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will continue to bring you more valuable cryptocurrency information and tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts on BYDFi and MoonX. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time.